One of the most difficult side effects of being diagnosed with cancer as a young adult is isolation and loneliness. So it really is important to us to focus our support on the unique needs of younger patients and provide an atmosphere that really fosters connection and community. We started the Young Adult Cancer Support Program, or YACS as we like to call it, in 2019 to better serve the needs of those going through cancer treatment in their 20s and 30s.
Being diagnosed with cancer in my 20s has been complicated as it's affected so many different areas of my life.
My cancer journey was a little all over the place and really didn't have a space to connect with people.
I was hesitant to go to my first meeting because I really didn't know what to expect. When I started hearing other people sharing their stories and being vulnerable and other people listening and encouraging them, it very quickly became a safe space. YACS now is just a really fun place that I look forward to coming every month.
People from different backgrounds, different cancer stories, and yet we all find space to be able to be ourselves. The friendships that I've gotten out of it have been very life-altering.
We have a really engaged group of participants, some who are newly diagnosed, others who are several years into survivorship. We have a monthly support group, both in person and virtually. We also try to do really fun activities every month.
Activities like this are awesome to build the relationships with other group members because it's tough to go through cancer as a young adult, and everyone needs that support system.
This is my very first event, my very first experience at an NBA game. My mom is here with me. She's so excited.
I came with my husband, and I have a lot of fun going to the events. My favorite thing about YACS is the connection that we build with each other and the relationships and friendships formed with this group.
My favorite part about YACS is having a support system outside of my family and friends that don't understand, and it's just nice to have that community.
I'm one of those people who hides my feelings, boxes them up, and, I found camaraderie. They know what you're going through. They understand it. I mean, we're all going through the same stuff.
Tia is a therapy dog that's a huge part of our young adult program. She's kind of the mascot, if you will, for what we do.
Tia has been such a great addition to YACS. She lightens up the space and just makes it even more fun and more comforting.
I've actually been very lucky to attend quite a few events. Everything's a little bit different. Today was wonderful. It was good for the soul to be out there with the horses, and having one of my close friends who I met through the group with me today was a very special moment. This is our life, and let's make the best of it. Let's own our cancer, and let's continue to live.
We've all been through it in some form or another, just different types of cancer, but it's something that we can all be in a safe place about.
I like that there are people in my age group kind of going through the same things. You get to live life and do different things that maybe you wouldn't have an opportunity to do otherwise.
YACS helped me learn how to balance starting a brand new full-time job with being in active treatment.
I didn't know it was going to be so impactful for me. It's allowed my family to be part of my cancer journey, and I realized prior to becoming part of Dallas YAC, I hadn't really included them in my cancer journey.
The really great thing about YACS is that there's always a place for you. So whenever you join in your cancer experience, we want to be here with you, and we hope that you'll give and get what you need from the group.
It's your space. And so when you're ready, we're here for you. If you come, you don't have to talk. Perhaps you just choose to listen. Perhaps you just choose to just be there. Because just like there's a diversity of people, there's a diversity of ways to benefit from YACS.
It has been pivotal in helping me understand and cope with my disease. It's really just changed the way that I view my cancer experience.